Look what we have here, 1969 Chevy C10. What you probably don't notice yet is that it has a 396 big block under the hood, along with power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, automatic trans. This is a truck you can enjoy driving. Go to volocars.com. You'll find price tags on over 200 collector cars that are all for sale, and each one has a monthly finance payment, so you can afford to buy one of these cars. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, we start with the body and the hood, big giant piece of metal. Listen to that, that's metal. It's straight, looks good. There's a little bubble in the paint right here, a little bump. I mean, a few minor imperfections, like maybe a bird dropping, etched the paint just a little bit right there. So, I mean, overall, it's beautiful. It's slick, it's clean metal, it's straight. The lines are nice, fits real nice, shuts nice. Corner of the cab, real clean. Bottom of the door is straight and smooth. Bottom of the bed, all nice, clean, and straight. There is a brush touch right here. There's a scratch that's been touched up. Nice, clean tailgate. A couple little chips right here. Obviously, it has the white Chevrolet letters. Straight, clean. We'll open that up in a little bit. All nice, clean metal. Some metal, not like today's cars. Nice, clean, straight. Cab corners real nice, all underneath here, all real nice. Door fits square and flush. A few little chips down here, a little scratch, little chip. A couple little touch-up way in there. Actually, I think that wipes off. This one you gotta slam a little harder. Windshield is real nice and clear. Participant in the Street Machine Nationals in 2021. The front grille looks to be real nice. We'll call it a 7 just because of some really light surface scratches, but that's all real nice. If we call the bumper a 7, I'm being more than honest about that. I think it looks real sharp. Marker lights look good. The moldings down the side all look like they're new. I'm sure they've been replaced. They look great. Correct antenna looks real nice. Paint is chipped up a little bit right around the bottom edge. New stainless mirrors. Chrome door handles are a 7. Oh, here's a couple little bubbles in the paint, 2 tiny ones right there. The roof looks real nice. Glass is obviously all tinted. Real nice, clean, original back glass. Bumpers real nice and shiny. Tail lights look good. They're good shape. Got some nice square tip exhaust sticking out there. It's got some modern Chevy wheels. They're in excellent shape with some real nice tires, 17-inch wheels and tires. You know, you can do a lot with the look of a truck by changing the stands, tires, wheels. I mean, these look great, but you can give it an entirely different look with different wheels too. Here's a little chip touched up. It's actually a little tiny crack, or a scratch. Okay, let's open it up. See that big block. I think it's a nice tonneau cover. It gives it a nice, clean look. Opens up very easily. It's lightweight, aluminum. Inside the bed has been painted with the black bed liner. It looks to be real straight, solid. Well, you fit a lot of stuff in here. Tailgate works good. There is some chipped paint inside the edges. Oop, right down here, a little chip paint. You don't see it on the outside though. Slick red truck. You don't see too many of these in bright red. Pull me over red. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted, or text the word new to 844-592-2431 to be texted to new arrivals. So they painted the inside of the doors and the dash real nice as well. Door panels are in good shape. A little worn on the edges, but overall they're in good shape. So it is a factory air truck, so it has the chrome vents here. The instrument panel looks to be real nice and clean. They've added a tachometer, hot rod style on the column. Dash pad's new. Another factory AC vent. Stereo, custom stereo, and it's kind of sticks out. But it is a nice stereo. I think it has satellite radio. The AC controls. Now, this has the original glove box sticker, and it says engine, and there's a code. It would be sure nice to find the codes. I was kind of Googling, and I can't find it to verify it was born in 396. I'm pretty certain it was, but that would prove it. It's nice to have the original sticker there. So we got kick panel speakers, nice red carpet with bow tie floor mats, the original seat cover with the Western imprint. There's also a split right here in the middle. Nice thing about these trucks is you can buy anything for them. They're actually pretty inexpensive. The red seat belts actually look like they're new. It's got retractable shoulder belts. I don't know if the seat moves forward, but you got the gas tank behind the seat. It does have a new headliner. Visors look real nice. It has the original steering wheel. I think that's kind of cool, kind of nostalgic. It seems to be in excellent shape, like it's probably new. Sill plates look new. Trucks are super popular. We can all relate to them. We all grew up with trucks. Find me a country song that doesn't mention a truck. So that is a 396. The fellow I bought this from, I bought his 4-car collection. He says he rebuilt the motor, trans, and rear end about 2,000 miles ago. They machined the numbers off the front of the pad when it was rebuilt. It is a 396, got a high-rise aluminum intake. It's got an Edelbrock carburetor hiding underneath there, an HEI ignition hiding in the back, and a set of long tube headers on each side. Factory air truck, you can see a lot of new components. Compressor's been replaced, so it is working air. Up front, the dryer's replaced. It's got an aluminum radiator, stock shroud. We've got factory power steering, factory power brakes. Overall, not a show trophy winner, but it's a nice, clean, proper engine compartment. So underneath the truck's clean. I mean, the metal is bone dry. It looks like a chalkboard. The metal is just so smooth, satin black. It does look like the front end steering and suspension was gone through. The springs look new. A lot of the components look like they were replaced not that long ago. It does have disc brakes in the front, drum in the back. Nice dual exhaust with little Flowmaster mufflers. Looking up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. The flywheel cover looks new. It is a Turbo 400, which you would typically find with the big block. That was rebuilt, and it's also clean looking. So just overall, a real nice truck. Nicely optioned. Big block. It's really what grabbed my attention. Then factory air, and power steering, power brakes, and an automatic. So it's very comfortable, easy to drive. Looks fantastic. I noticed also there's some little bubbling right in the rain gutter right here. So I wanted to point that out. So go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.